Now let us discuss how to implement RCM. Selection of equipment for RCM. Equipment selected for RCM analysis should be critical to operations. The cost of the equipment, cost of previous repair and the previous preventive maintenance is to be taken in consideration. Identify system functions. Identify the primary functions of the equipment, its mode of operation and the desired performance level to meet the requirements of the customer. Identify failure mode. Identify and list out all the possible modes that the particular equipment selected for RCM can fail. A failure can be poor performance, unintended functions, complete failure, etc. Identify the causes of the failure modes. The causes for the mentioned failure has to be identified and listed out with the help of RCM experts. Effects and consequences of failure. In these steps, the consequences of the equipment failure are to be identified. For example, whether the failure is a threat to the safety of operator or the environment, is there any safety concerns with this failure? Determine maintenance tasks. Identify the maintenance tasks to be performed as per the criticality of the equipment to prevent it from complete failure. The facility managers may opt for a CBM, which is called condition based maintenance, or a PM, preventive maintenance, as applicable according to the criticality of the failure. The facility managers may perform no maintenance, reactivity maintenance, or a run to fail. This type of maintenance assumes that failure is equally likely to occur in any part and that a failure is not causing any harm to the operation. Redesign is done when failure of a system or piece of equipment has an unacceptable risk and none of the maintenance tasks can help in controlling or preventing the failure. RCM teams may have to replace or redesign the unit in these cases. Regularly review the maintenance recommendations. The maintenance recommendation has to be reviewed on a regular basis as mentioned in the maintenance recommendations to avoid further slowdown or failure of the equipment. CBM, condition based maintenance. Condition based maintenance is a maintenance methodology that monitors the actual condition of an asset and helps to decide what maintenance operations are to be performed for that particular asset. CBM involves tracking the condition of an operating equipment to analyze and understand the type of maintenance to be done and when it should be done. Signs of declining performance indicates the needs for maintenance to be done to restore the equipment to its previous capacity. It is based on the assumption that most equipment will display some sort of indicators prior to an issue. Condition based maintenance is performed only on slowdown or performance issue of a particular equipment. The current condition of a particular asset is checked through visual inspections, schedule tests, performance data which is often gathered by keeping sensors and related tools. The data received through the above tests help in assessing the performance of the assets or upcoming failures. Once the performance issues are monitored, maintenance activity may be proactively scheduled to correct the issue before the equipment fails completely or performance slows down drastically. Condition based maintenance is found costly for tools like sensors. Other related equipment maintenance tasks performed on an asset at fixed time intervals regardless of its condition. Trained staff to monitor the data and decide what type of maintenance activity is to be done. CBM may also not easily detect the normal depreciation or wear and tear of a particular assets, but it minimizes the chance of equipment failures and improves reliability.